Today I'm gonna sell my bags and accessories, so stay tuned. Hi guys, I hope you're fine. I'm back on this YouTube channel to have another video you pretty enjoyed and that you liked. It's where I sell my bags and accessories, and I'm so happy because I had new things coming this week. These are amazing, you're gonna love it. The prices are amazing too. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to show you right now. This is just here, and I love receiving handbags and everything. This is so cool. This is my dream job actually. So for those who does not know me, my name is Margot. I live in Barcelona. I'm 27 years old and I'm French. I'm from Lyon originally, but I was living in Paris and I was sick of Paris, so I went to Barcelona because of the sun, the weather, the beach, the big city, everything actually. Anyway, I've launched my own company like a few weeks ago where I sell handbags actually. I'm forever grateful because this is like my dream job. It's thanks to you because I was not really doing this and people were asking where can I get this bag, if you can look for this bag for me and so on. And the more and more it grows, the more I was like, okay, I need to have a website. So the website is just here. It's bamluxurystore.com. If you want to follow us on Instagram and on TikTok, you can of course. If you want to check the website, you can of course. This is fully English on the website and also on Instagram and TikTok. Also, the videos I'm making to show you the bags and accessories are going out on Wednesday, but I'm doing each Sunday a drop live, a luxury drop live each Sunday. Usually it's 7 p.m. Paris time, it's 1 p.m. New York City time, and it's 10 a.m. Pacific. I think it's 10 a.m. Pacific. Anyway, so you can have a look each Sunday of the handbags and accessories I have in advance. So if you want to have a look, check on the Instagram and on the TikTok. I'm going live every Sunday. Anyway, we're gonna start. I am very happy to show you the new designer items I received this week. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first one because I don't want you to wait any longer. So let's go. The first one is the pochette accessoire from Louis Vuitton. I am impressed because this is something, guys, you're gonna want. You are going to want this because this is very small. This is small budget too, and this is so adorable. This is super practical too, so you're gonna love it. Okay, so this one is the pochette accessoires from Louis Vuitton, and the canvas, as you can see here, is in perfect condition. This is not dry at all. This is really good. What else can I say? Okay, the strap is in pretty good shape, I can say. It has some stain, of course, because this is vintage, you know, but this is not bad actually. So I'm very happy because it looks amazing. Then you have also the etiquette just here, like written Louis Vuitton and so on. The small thing to just open and close the bag. This one is a bit vintage, of course. And the only thing I would say on this bag is just here at the corner, I don't know if you can see, it's a bit detached, it's a bit damaged, but it's repairable. Like, it's very easy to repair and it has no other problem other than this. And the inside of the bag is in perfect condition, no stain inside, so this is good. And you have the etiquette with the serial number, so this is actually amazing, and this is a great deal. So this one, I'm gonna save the price in USD and I'm gonna save the price in Euro, but if you go on the website, I'm gonna link every designer item I'm showing you in the description below. So please go see the description below. You will arrive on the website and you have every photos, the price and so on. But if you are interested in any other designer item, just let me know in the comments. Just say, hey, I'm very interested, can I have more photos or any other? I will reply gladly and we'll stay in touch, of course. First arrived, first served, always. I'm not doing any treatment favor or anything, so first arrived, first served. Always. Some of the designer items are going sold out very fast, so if you are looking for something, just let me know. Okay, so for the price of this one, it's 447 USD for this one, and in Euro, 449 euros. So for now, euros and USD are approximately very similar, but everything is on the website. You will have your price on the website. If you are connected from USA, you will have the US dollar price. If you are connected from, for example, London or UK, you will have pounds of the price, etc. But anyway, this little baby is for now available. I'm saying like for now because it can go sold out very, very fast. So let's go. Okay, I'm gonna show you now the second designer item I have this week. Second designer item I have is ta-da, Goyard. I'm so impressed. I was able to have this, that I was able to put my hands on this because this is super rare. This is super hard to find. You know why? Because Goyard is a brand that is not really into retail or into e-commerce. They don't sell online. So you cannot buy online Goyard. So this is kind of a problem, but this is also the strategy of the brand. And you don't have much store. You don't have a store anywhere. You have only one in London and two in Paris, one in Cannes, I believe, and one in Bordeaux in France. So you have like 3 or 4 stores in France and one in London. And it's always full of people. Like, trust me, I was working Rue Saint-Honoré next to the Goyard store, and every morning when I arrived to work, it was already full of people. And every day, all day long, it was full. This is crazy because everyone coming from another country wants to go to Goyard, of course, and buy from Goyard because it's only in France or in London. So obviously, this is full. So I have this little baby, you're gonna love it. This is a small leather goods, this is not a bag. You have the box just here and voila. This is the Goyard Varenne. This is a wallet from Goyard and this one is amazing. You have the papers inside also. I'm gonna show you. So this is the Varenne one and it's said that it's black, but it's like black gray. This is not a black, this is very black gray. I love it. This one is amazing. So you have the front of the wallet and you have the back also. So in the back, you have a pocket here. So the intern of the wallet is yellow. So you have the pocket here. I'm gonna open it right now. I love this one. So this is the inside of the wallet, as you can see. The only problem, I would say, this is not like a huge problem, but anyway, that here this is a bit damaged. The leather is a bit damaged. This is not like a big thing, hopefully, and it's not damaged anymore. This is not going to be badder. I don't know if I can say this, but well. Anyway, because if this is just a bit damaged, I think because of this one, the person did not really took care of this before. But otherwise, this is very good condition. You have a bit little here. Here it's smooth leather. Sorry, this is a bit damaged here, but nothing much. Except for this. You have here a place to put cards. Just here, you have a pocket here. And you have another pocket from here, which is like a very big pocket. This is very, very good. I'm so happy to have this. It's also maybe, I'm gonna check more. Yeah, well, it's not very much, but it's a bit damaged here because of the coin. So I think maybe one day it was blocked, or you know, when you blocked like a coin here, but nothing very, very big. You're gonna have every photo in the link description, so please check it out. But otherwise, this is very good condition. I'm gonna show you this part of the wallet. This is like amazing. This is super great, and the price is also super great, guys. You're gonna be impressed. So, okay, I'm gonna close this from here, and here it's working very well. It's not damaged at all. This is very good condition. So you have the box, you have small papers inside, and concerning the price, so in US dollar, it's $397. This is just actually amazing, guys. Like, this is a huge opportunity for real. So 397 US dollar for this baby, and in euro it's 399 euro. Ta-da! This is a really good price and a really good designer item. So if you want it, you can have it. Just let me know in the comments and I will reply to you gladly. Okay, let's go for the third designer item I want to show you. Ta-da! This is another pochette accessoire. This one is kind of in a better shape. This is not damaged here, so this is why, and here isn't better. But this is the second one. I am so happy because these are very searched, like you guys are going to be amazed. These are super asked because this is not very expensive. This is like very cool gift. You can make your gift, or you can make a gift to someone else for Christmas because like it's very soon. So it's very, very nice. So the canta is in very, very good shape. This is not dry at all. I try always to have like Louis Vuitton monogram in good shape. So the strap now. Okay, this strap I want to show you because it's very good shape. This is caramel, of course, because this is vintage. As you can see, it has like a little stain here, but on this kind of bag, this is normal, you know, because this is like a small strap and obviously. But anyway, here, this is also in very good shape, as you can see. I hope I'm like not missing the objective. Yes, as you can see, well, this is like very good shape, and in the interior, it's also very, very good. It has no stain inside. This is perfect condition inside. And you also have like the serial number here, the etiquette. So this is actually very, very good. This one is the best one. It's in perfect condition. I really love it. Concerning the price of this one, this is a bit higher than the first one because it's in better condition. So this one is 536 US dollar, and in euro this is 539 euros for this little baby. I am beyond grateful for this because I love it. I want to keep it actually. Like I kind of want, but I want also to please you, so I'm not gonna keep it. I'm gonna let this for you guys. If you want it, just let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching this video. That was all for today. This was a small unboxing, small things. I am very, very, very happy because I was able to find you like great designer items. If you want them, please let me know in the comments. And if you did not subscribe yet to my channel, please do, because I have new videos coming, very, very exciting, pretty nice actually, and I'm gonna leave you 2 other videos to watch just here. If you did not watch them already, just watch it, it's worth it. Okay, bye, thank you for watching, bisous!